everyone, welcome back. It's time for today's story, and this book is called 10 Little Rubber Ducks. You can tell it's one of Tover's favorites. You can hear my dog barking, huh? This book is by Eric Carle, and he wrote the words and also made the pictures. And this is a great book because it is a counting book. So it's going to help us practice our counting. In fact, let's start right now on the cover. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see I used my finger. I pointed to each one and said a new number every time. And I went in order too. When you're counting, it helps to go in order. That way you can be sure you don't miss any. So let's hear the story. 10 Little Rubber Ducks by Eric Carle. Chuckity, chuckity, chuck goes the rubber duck machine. Out pop little yellow rubber ducks, one after the other, one after the other. The little rubber ducks are painted, bills red and eyes blue. Remember, the bill is like the mouth of the duck. Then they are packed, 10 to a box, and off they go. Oh boy, these ducks are in for an adventure. To be loaded onto a cargo ship. Hello, calls the captain. There they go. There go the boxes with the 10 rubber ducks. The captain and his cargo ship are taking the little rubber ducks across the wide sea to faraway countries. To faraway countries. Suddenly, a storm churns the water into big waves. A strong wind whistles across the sea. Whistles across the sea. A big wave lifts up one of the boxes and throws it into the water. The box opens and 10 little rubber ducks fall out. 10 rubber ducks overboard, shouts the captain. 10 rubber ducks overboard. Oh no, look at the captain. He says, oh no, the ducks are in the water. After some time, the storm calms down. The 10 little rubber ducks bob in the big wide sea. As far as one can see, only water and sky. Water and sky. The 10 little rubber ducks begin to drift apart. That means they're starting to float away from each other. The first little rubber duck drifts west. A dolphin jumps over it. The second little rubber duck drifts east. A seal barks at it. So we have a dolphin, a seal, the first duck, the second duck. What will be the next duck after the second duck? After the second duck comes the third duck. And what does the third duck see? If you said polar bear, you're right. The third little rubber duck drifts north. A polar bear growls at it. So what's after the third duck? If you said the fourth duck, you're right. The fourth little rubber duck drifts south. A flamingo stares at it. So what's after the fourth duck? Can you guess? If you said the fifth duck, you are right. The fifth little rubber duck drifts to the left. A pelican chatters at it. What's this? What's after the fifth duck? If you said sixth, you are right. That's hard to say. Sixth. The sixth little rubber duck drifts to the right. A turtle glides past it. Okay, that was the sixth duck. What is next? The seventh little rubber duck drifts up. An octopus blinks at it. Blink means you close both your eyes. Okay, so what's after the seventh? The eighth little rubber duck drifts down. A seagull screeches at it. What's after eighth? Do you know? If you said ninth, you are right. The ninth little rubber duck drifts this way. What is that? Whale sings to it. Ooh, this whale is so big it takes up 2 pages. I think we said that last week, that the blue whale is the biggest animal. Look how big that is. Oh, what's after the ninth? You know, if you said 10th, you are right. The 10th little rubber duck drifts that way, bobbing and floating on the big wide sea. The sun is setting. It is getting dark. As far as one can see, only water and sky. Water and sky. What's going to happen to that 10th duck? The next morning, the 10th little rubber duck meets a mother duck and her ducklings. Quack, says the mother duck. Oh, look, he met a whole family of ducks. Quack, 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 say the ducklings. Let's see how many are in their family. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, just like in his box from the factory. At the end of the day, the sun sets again. It is getting dark. The mother duck and her ducklings swim towards their nest. The little rubber duck floats along with them. Oh, he found some friends to be with. Isn't that great? He found a new family. So there were 9 little ducks in that family. Then they added the little rubber duck. So how many do they have now? 9 added 1. 9 plus 1. Let's count and find out how many ducklings are in the family now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good night, says the moon. Quack, says the mother duck. Quack, 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 say the ducklings. Squeak, says the little rubber duck. He doesn't quack, he just makes that squeaking sound that some rubber ducks do. Isn't that a beautiful picture? So that is the story of the 10 rubber ducks, and hopefully you got some practice in counting and learning your numbers like the second and the third and all that good stuff. So my kids used to love that story. I hope you liked it too. We'll see you later.